Okay, this one I've already started for you because I did it differently than the book. I don't like the way the book does it. So those of you that have the book, pay attention here. Okay, the problem is 2 over x plus 2 divided by 3 over x plus 2 plus 2 over x. Everything's fine except this bottom, we need a common denominator. So because we have x plus 2 and x, we're going to multiply this one by x over x and this one by x plus 2 over x plus 2. The top's going to remain the same, 2 over x plus 2. The bottom, I multiplied this one by x over x, and this one I multiplied by x plus 2 over x plus 2. So then I get 2 over x plus 2 times, I'm going to flip this, right? So my denominator is x times x plus 2, and then on that top, I'll get 3x plus 2 times x plus 2. So the top here, but when I flip it, it becomes the bottom. All right, the rest I left for now. So the x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancel out. So on the top, you'll have 2x. And on the bottom, you'll have 3x plus 2x, distributing this through, plus 4. Clean that up, and you'll get 2x over 5x plus 4. Same answer as the book, they just went about it a different way, and that's much easier. Okay, and the next and last one. 5 plus x to the negative 2. In other words, x squared in the denominator. Over 8x minus 1, or 8 over x plus x. All right, so let's make that look pretty first. Or not pretty, but what it is supposed to be. 5 plus 1 over x squared. That's what that's saying, okay? And then that's going to be over 8 over x plus x. So then it just boils down to a common denominator problem. Let's see if they did it wonky again. They did not, I don't think. All right, I'm going to do it my way, see if it's the same as their way. We're going to multiply this by x squared over x squared. So you'll get 5x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared. And then here I just need to multiply this one by x. So I'll get 8 over x plus x squared over x. Okay. Just for ease, I'm going to go ahead and simplify those before I flip them. So I'll get 5x squared plus 1 over x squared. I guess I'll flip and simplify. Times, when I flip that, I'll get x over 8 plus x squared. Okay, so can we factor anything out? Yes, because this x will become 1, and then we'll just have 1x on the bottom. But I think that's all we can factor out. So, yeah. Okay. So we'll be left with 5x squared plus 1. This x will cancel out. We'll be left with 1x on the bottom. X times 8 plus x squared. And that's what they got pretty much the same way. Okay, so I know that was a silly 4 minutes, but I just remember this being a little bit complicated last year. All right, so you have a web assign to do, you have a quiz to do. If for some reason I can't upload it to Blackboard, I will put it in Google Classroom. All right, have a good night. Bye-bye.